you got a new hairstyle, huh?
Yeah.
So yeah, let's go to Australia. Since Australia boasts some of the best beaches on the planet, and the huge coastline stretches for nearly 37 kilometers, which includes 11,011 beaches, more than any other nation, right?
Yeah.
And yeah, there are a lot of beaches on the list, but we're going to Scarborough, yeah?
Oh, that's great. Australia. Australia.
Yeah.
Australia. 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 Everybody, let's go. Come on, let's get to it. I know that we can do it. Where are we going? Australia. Where are we going? Australia. Ding, 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 ding,
Oh, this is almost done.
Is the barbecue ready?
Just a second more. No, it's not yet ready, guys. But the beers are ready.
Okay.
Okay, you can have some. Enjoy the beers. You don't have to wait for the barbecue. Hey, the barbecue's here. Hey, Dora, you're here. Oh, why don't you join us? We're having a party here. We're having a party here. Yeah, you know you're here in Australia. We have barbecue.
Oh, really?
Yeah, when it's actually it's part of our lifestyle. You know, we go to the beach every vacation and then.
No, I'm still minor till I can eat a beer. Where's the Barbie, by the way?
Yeah, it's like barbecue in the beach.
Barbecue in the beach.
Yeah.
It cannot be said as Barbie without a beer.
Yeah. So you still have to drink beer, Dora.
So what are they doing, guys, in this beach? Just drinking beer and also.
No, they're playing volleyball. Look at Yeah. You know what, Dora? You can actually do a lot of things when you're in the beach. You can go.
Fishing, diving,
Yeah.
yes.
You can go scuba diving, something like
Scuba
that.
diving? How's that?
You have to ask your mom.
How's your map?
You have to
What else?
You just dive into the ocean and
What's
Yeah.
the name of this island?
Well, you are now at Scarborough Beach, and we would like to welcome you. Welcome, Dora.
Yeah,
It's
welcome.
very interesting here.
You'll enjoy it here, you know. We have the beer, the Barbie, we have a lot of
So it's
salad.
more on fun.
Yeah, we're here for fun.
You Australians really love fun.
Yeah.
And we do love beers and barbecues.
Yeah.
If you want,